Special chicken roast. 10 tablespoons yogurt. 10 tablespoons vinegar. Add ginger and garlic paste with all the spices. Mix, mix, mix. Put cuts on chicken pieces with a sharp knife. Coat it well in the mixture. Cover it with cling wrap and marinate chicken pieces overnight. Put a steam rack in a large pot filled with water. Place chicken pieces on the rack and steam for 45 minutes. Fry on medium flame 5 minutes each side. Special chicken roast. Ready to serve.